everyone, welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a traditional Sichuan snack, flour tofu or 豆花 in Chinese. In my hometown Chengdu, this snack is often offered near a tea house or a park by street vendors. Flour tofu is basically fresh soy milk curds without being pressed into firm tofu. If you want to see the magic of this simple and delicious recipe, stay tuned and let's get started. Soak soybeans overnight. Drain the beans. Place in a blender. Add cold water to the blender, about 800 ml. Blend at full speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until you have a smooth milk. Prepare a nut milk bag and place in a large container. The blended soy milk is a thick white mixture. Slowly pour the milk into the nut milk bag. Rinse the blender with another 400 ml water and pour it into the nut milk bag. Lift the bag slowly and tighten up the strings. Squeeze out the liquid as much as you can. To me, this is quite satisfying. The leftover part of the soybeans are called 豆渣. It can be added to pastries, or I simply use it as a fertilizer in my yard. Pour soy milk into a pot. Bring to a boil on medium heat. A huge cloud of foam will shoot out when the temperature rises. Turn the heat down to very low immediately to prevent overflowing. Keep the milk simmer for about 8 minutes. The foam will eventually disappear. Transfer boiled soy milk to a large container or leave it in the pot to cool to about 175 Fahrenheit. Next, let's dissolve the tofu coagulant. Use about 1½ teaspoon of coagulant. Mix in 3 to 4 tablespoons of boiling hot water. Stir to make sure the coagulant is fully dissolved. As the soy milk cools down, tofu skin will form on the surface. Remove with chopsticks. We will use a spoon to slowly mix in the coagulant solution in a few stages. As soon as you see curds forming in the milk, stop adding the solution and let the tofu set undisturbed for about 10 to 15 minutes. While we wait for the tofu to solidify, let's make a simple sauce. Combine soy sauce, vinegar, salt. Now my favorite ingredient, Sichuan peppercorn powder. A little sesame oil and some sesame paste. Now you can see the tofu is ready. It is very soft and we call this 豆花, aka flour tofu. Let's first scoop some of the liquid into the bowl. Mix well to form a soup base. Now scoop tofu into the bowl. Top with some chili oil, fresh green onion, some preserved mustard tuber, fried peanuts, or any other nuts you like. I also like to top with some savory cracker. Garnish with some sesame seeds to finish it off. Now you have it, freshly made tofu served with chili oil Sichuan sauce. I don't know about you, but my mouth is watering. Alright guys, now for the best part, the taste test. Let me tell you, I'm so ready. This is like my dream food. So good. The tofu is super soft and the nuts just give it another level of crunchiness. The flavor is delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you're a fan of Sichuan food, you know what I'm talking about. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.